Hey guys, I am spray painting doors today on this project, and I just wanted to show you a cool little tool that Saker makes. Remember, I like making things, and I like things that make making things easier even better. And I think that this is one of those things. This is called the 4-in-1 Painter's I-Type Accessory Tool, made by Saker. And what I'm going to do today is show you how useful this can be when you're painting doors, especially when you have a lot of doors. I've got several doors in this house, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how this tool is very convenient. So anyway, it comes with 4 of these eye-shaped brackets, one for each corner of the door. And you're going to put those on the door as close to the end here, each end as you can get, like that, with one screw. And they send you some screws here, a little package of screws. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how easy this is. I've already pre-drilled. I just set this where I want it and then pre-drilled for these screws. It's going to go right in each end here. There are some smaller screws, about 4 of those and 4 of these bigger ones, so I'm not sure. Probably would have been a good idea to read the directions. I'd say it's for smaller material, because you can also do this with boards that you're wanting to paint both sides of. So I'd say these smaller screws are for that. But if all else fails, read the directions. All right, so we've pre-drilled the holes. I would assume you don't want those real tight because you want them to be able to spin, as you'll see here in a minute. So go ahead and continue around each end of the door. All right, let me show you the magic now. Okay, so the nice part about these things are you can go ahead and spray paint however you want to paint it. And notice these, no surface, paintable surface of the door is actually making any contact with the floor. So once you've spray painted one side, all you've got to do, let's go from this side. All you've got to do, take it, hold on to these, bring it right down, and spray paint the other side. Okay, sorry, I did not realize I'd lost sound here. What I'm explaining in this long-winded explanation is that you can paint your doors, and then while they're still wet, with the help of another person, you can stack them just like this. This is what they're made to do. In my case, these doors were not the same length. Here I'm just showing that you can also stand them upright. And of course, if you have one of these for every door, you can lay them out like this, spray paint them, stack them, make room for another one. Very easy to turn and use.
I think it's a must-have for every painter for sure. And if you're a house flipper like me, they come in extremely handy. I will definitely be using these in the future. Again, here with the help of another person, I could have showed you how easy this is to just lift one and stack it on the other. But as a DIYer, you're often having to do it yourself. But there you go. You can stack them and go to the next door. So let's get rid of the paint.
How long did that take? Both sides in 5 minutes? Way to go, Saker. 4-in-1 painter's I-type accessory tool. Makes doing things easy. Let's do one more. Three doors and a total of probably, I don't know, 5 minutes. Not counting the time it takes to put the little 4-in-1 painter's I-type accessory tool on there. They're well worth it. I just stacked the other ones because I told you the other two doors were not the same length, so I couldn't stack them. But I could lean them. I'm leaning this one right up against. See? Nothing's touching. The other one's leaning over there. Nothing touching. So I like them. And if you like my videos, give me a thumbs up and subscribe, please. Okay, just to wrap things up, I just wanted to show you why these things, these Saker painter's tools are so handy. That's what they are. You get 4 of them, one for a door. So I had 3 and had 3 doors to paint. This house is every door, well, 2 of the doors were the same length, but different widths. But the other ones that were the same width were different lengths. So anyway, I couldn't, it was still great to have them because you can screw these things into the end of into each corner of each door, and then you can keep them off the ground, flip them very easily, and paint the other side. And then you can stack them. You could stack them if they were all the same length and width, but in this case, you can just, with them left on, nothing's contacting the door or the wall or door that it's leaning on. I got another one over here. So that way I painted 3 doors right in this little area here. I wanted to have all this done before the carpet came, but I got the carpet, so I covered that up with drop cloth and used a spray painter. But I'll tell you what, these come in very handy, and I will definitely be using them some more. Thanks for watching.